everyone, I'm Jennifer Shintala, and I am really excited to talk to you today about the importance of purposeful practice in Freckle for Math. So we know that practice is really critical to build students' proficiency in mathematics. And it's more than just giving problems that require memorization and rote mathematical skills. We really want to think about the process that students go through as they practice mathematics. We have to think about the cognitive development that they need to make practice purposeful. That starts with the foundation of a skill and then being able to become fluent with that skill, apply that skill in situations, and then most importantly, transfer that to other situations. So let's consider an example. We have a student, Greta, and Greta is learning how to add fractions. Now let's make the assumption that Greta has already learned about fractions and how to represent fractions in multiple ways. So she is going to acquire this new skill of adding fractions with like denominators using whatever strategies her teacher wants to employ. And right now, she's not quite ready to do the work independently. She requires some support from either a teacher or maybe even peers, or perhaps even some digital support. But she's going to set off on her practice path, and she's going to use the skills that she acquired from her instruction. Her initial practice sets might include some visuals to help her understand the work that she is doing. She is responding consistently, she's getting feedback on the practice she's doing, and she's really able to develop accuracy and speed. And as the speed and accuracy develops, she's able to take this skill and combine it with other skills, like perhaps whole number addition. And so she's building that repertoire of her mathematical abilities using now this new skill along with old skills. Now that she has the foundation down and she's developed that fluency with the skill, she's able to apply it in a variety of situations. So through practice with different problem solving scenarios, she's able to really hone that skill and understand how to bring it out in these situations. Now that she has some procedural and application practice, Greta is able to add this skill to her mathematical toolbox and use it in a variety of situations. In fact, a few weeks later, Greta is working on a Freckle for Math inquiry-based lesson where she has to add distances. And she recognizes that she has to add fractions in this problem. So she is able to recall the knowledge she learned and transfer it to this completely novel situation. So ideal practice tools allow students to really follow that progression from foundation to fluency to application and finally transfer. And depending on the complexity of the skill, this could take a varying amount of time. What's most important, though, is students have access to all of these problem types, and Freckle for Math allows students what they need from practice, which is opportunities to work through all of these stages from foundation to skill mastery.